What is that, Jaden?
Zero. This number. Oh. This.
Where's the 9? Can you find the 9?
And nine go.
Where's the 9? Here, what number is that?
7.
What number is this?
3.
Yeah.
This zeros. This zeros.
Those are zeros. Are you playing with Play-Doh?
This zeros.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to go to the park today?
No.
No? Do you want to drink milk today?
No.
Do you want to eat vegetables?
No.
Do you want to hug Mila?
No.
Do you want to go take a nap?
No.
Do you want to eat candy?
No.
Yeah. Can you say yes?
Yes.
Yes. Can you say applesauce?
Applesauce.
What is that?
Zeros.
Zeros? What are you playing with? What are you playing with? Are you nuts? Where's your hat? Did you put your hat on?
No.
No? You want to go see the horsies?
No.
No. No. Do you want to brush your hair?
No.
No. How about you brush your teeth?
No.
Do you want to eat pineapple?
No.
Do you want to eat asparagus?
No.
No. Can you show me your mad face?
No. No.
Can you show me your happy face?
No.
Happy?
No.
Can you show me sad?
No.
Sad?
No.
No. How about happy?
No.
Will you pick up the Playdoh you dropped on the floor, please? Jades? Other side. Other side. Can you say, love you?
No.
Can you say, I love you?
No.
No. You're a turkey. Can you say, I love you?
No.
Can you say, I love mommy?
No.
I love daddy?
No.
I love Yoda?
No.
I love birds?
No. Bird.
Birds. What about hospital?
No.
No.
Yes.
Can you say hospital?
No. Take a go.
What? Ew, don't eat that. That's yucky. Can you show me happy? Sad. Can you do this? So sad. Sad
No.
face? No?
No.
Can you say love you?
No.
Can you say bye?
No.
Can you wave to the camera and say bye?
Bye.
Blow a kiss. Blow kisses. Go mwah.